All right, guys, we got a 2019 INFINITI Q50. Really beautiful Infinity. Got factory converter there, And then what we did on it is a catback system by STILLEN. There'll be a link in the description. It's a 2.5-inch system, then 3-inch in the middle. Then it goes back to 2.5 out the back. There, and then we clamp. Everything comes clamped, and then we just tack them so it doesn't rattle. And there's the tips out the back, right there, and right there, 4-inch system. There's the old system that was on it that we cut off, right there. And the 2 mufflers, I have no idea where they're at. But anyways, I think they had them unbolted. They were unbolted already before when he brought the car in. Okay, like that. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the name of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. STILLEN. STILLEN system. Yeah, clean. I like it. That's nice. All right, guys, here is what it sounds like. Go ahead. That's clean. INFINITI Q50. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. Again. All right. Go ahead. It's so deep. There's the rest of the original system right there. You guys can see. We cut all that off. Replace it with it. Let you guys hear on the inside. INFINITI Q50 all-wheel drive with a STILLEN catback system, fully bolt-on. Nice. Enjoy, guys.